Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of borax. See, in borax, it contains sodium, boron, oxygen. So, in which how many sodium is present here? 2 sodium is present in borax, and boron is present in borax, 4 molecules, and oxygen present 7. So in which water molecules are also present, 10 water molecules. This is the formula for borax. It is also present in another form, Na2B4O5 OH 4 times 2H2O. So this borax is called a sodium salt of tetraboric acids, or we can say sodium tetraborate, or we can say it is a borax glass. It is a borax glass. Now let us see the preparation of borax. Preparation. The borax is prepared from colmanite ore by boiling its solution, by boiling its colmanite ore solution with the sodium carbonate, it gives borax. So we are taking the colmanite ore, Ca2 B6 O11. This is the colmanite ore. Colmanite ore. We are taking the colmanite ore. It is heated with sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. This is sodium carbonate. In the presence of water, H2O. I put here. So we are taking the colmanite ore. It is heated with a sodium carbonate in the presence of water. We are heating this solution to high temperatures. It gives borax, Na2B4O7. We can say borax glass. This is the borax or borax glass. Here the calcium and the carbonate goes as a calcium carbonate. Here I am writing here calcium. Now I write some upper side. This calcium and a carbonate goes as a calcium carbonate. That is calcium and a OH present in the water molecule, it goes as a calcium hydroxide. CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide I write here clearly. Calcium hydroxide. This is the sodium carbonate. This is a borax. This is a calcium carbonate. This is a calcium hydroxide. So we can prepare the borax from colmanite ore. We are taking the colmanite ore in the solution form, boiling it with a sodium carbonate. It gives borax, calcium carbonate and calcium hydroxide. Now let us balance the equations. How we can balance the equations? So number of atom present in the left hand side, number of atoms and present in the right hand side will be equal. So number of calcium, okay, number of calcium present here 2, here also 2. So number of boron present here 6, here 4. For this we are putting here 3. 3 4s are 12. Here we are putting 2. 6 2s are 12. So boron is balanced. Now we calculate the calcium. Here number of calcium 2 2s are 4. Here 2 only. So for this we put a 3 here. Here number of calcium here 4. Here also 4. So calcium also balanced. Now check the number of sodium atom present here. Number of sodium atom here 2. Here 3 2s are 6. So we put here 3. Okay. Now check this. Okay, number of oxygen. So 11 2s are 12 and 11 2s are 22. Here 22 and 3 3s are 9. 22 and 9. Then here 1 oxygen. So number of oxygen is 32. Here number of oxygen 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are here. Here I write. Here I write 21. Then here 3 3s are 9. Then 2. So here also number of oxygen 32. So the equation is balanced. So borax. So in this way we have to balance the equation by checking the number of atom present on the left hand side and number of atom present on the right hand side, or number of atom in reactant side and number of atom present in the right hand side. So in this way we have to balance the equations. So how can we prepare the borax? So we can prepare the borax from colmanite ore. We are taking the colmanite ore in the solution form. It is heated with the sodium carbonate. This is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. This is a borax or sodium tetraborate. This is a calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. This is a calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. So borax can be prepared from colmanite ore. The colmanite ore boiling with the sodium carbonate, it gives borax, the calcium carbonate and calcium hydroxide. Normally borax is formulated as a Na2B4O7 10H2O. So it also exists in two other forms, as a borax glass and a Zwiller or octahedral borax. Okay, the borax exists in two other forms. Borax exists in two other forms. Borax exists two forms, other two forms as here. First one is borax glass. Borax glass. Second one is jeweler or octahedral borax. Octahedral borax. So its formula, borax glass is Na2B4O7 and jeweler or octahedral borax is Na2B4O7 to 5H2O. This is a octahedral borax or jeweler borax. Here in borax, it contains tetranuclear units of B4O5 OH 4 times. It contains tetranuclear units B4O5 OH 4 times 2 minus. This is a tetranuclear unit. This is a tetranuclear units. This tetranuclear unit is called a prismatic form. This form this form is called a prismatic form. So in one more question they will ask, which of the following is prismatic form? Okay, B4O5 OH 4 times 2 minus. This form is called a prismatic form. B4O5 OH 4 times 2 minus. This is a tetranuclear unit, okay, because it contains a hydroxyl ion, 4 hydroxyl ions. This is the nuclear ions, hydroxyl ion, 4 OH minus ion. So it is called a prismatic form. Okay, this is the preparation of borax. Okay, do you understand, student, how we can prepare the borax? So borax is nothing but it is a sodium salt of tetraboric acid, or we can say sodium tetraborate. It can be prepared from colmanite ore. We are taking the colmanite ore in the solution form. It is boiled with sodium carbonate. It gives sodium tetraborate or borax, then calcium carbonate and a calcium hydroxide. So the borax also exists in two other forms, namely borax glass Na2B4O7 and jeweler or octahedral borax. Its formula is Na2B4O7 5H2O. So borax also exists in tetranuclear units B4O5 OH 4 times 2 minus. This unit is known as prismatic form. This form is also called a prismatic form. This is the preparation of borax. I hope you understand, student, the preparation of borax. It's very important. Thank you.